Okay, everybody, here's a quick video, about 10 minutes, on how you can use templates and a little creativity to allow you to create a recurring campaigns that do the exact same thing day after day after day. Well, SENuke doesn't have that functionality within. You need to create separate campaigns with each of your steps for each day. There is a way we can do it very quickly and efficiently and not have to take hours setting these things up. So here we go. Let's take a look at this. So to start out with, I do something that I call creating templates. And so in this case, I've got a template that says NASBRSS. So that's shorthand for me to say that this template creates new accounts, it does some social bookmarking, and then does RSS submissions. So that's exactly what you see I have set up over here. Also, you'll see over here I have my money site URL list. If I open that up, you'll see that all in here I just have dummy.com and dummy keyword, because what the date is right now in here is not important. What's important is to get it built enough so that you have a framework that you can duplicate and then update to build out the iterative nature of the campaigns you want to run. So if you actually look in our new account creation project, you'll also see here's dummy.com for an email address, because that when we run this, that'll actually get changed because we have this check to download the Hotmail account. You'll look down here, we have whatever the bookmarking and RSS sites are flagged to be created. I'm going to create a profile. So all that's for setup for our account creation. Then we have social bookmarking. Again, down here I've just put in title and tag and description, and over here I've selected all the bookmarking sites, and I just randomly grabbed categories to put on these things, because SENuke won't let you save a social bookmark nuke without selecting categories. So I went through and did that. I think if you were to build these templates using the auto select categories, if you put in health, business, news, in general, you'll get a lot of them will be automatically um, selected for you. So that one's built, and then the RSS project's exactly the same, just random category setup and just title and tag down here, just filling in fields so I can get them saved. And then I scheduled them so that they follow one another and they all get done in one pass. So that's the template that we can use now to run many campaigns. So how do we do that? So first of all, here we are at about 3 minutes and 30 seconds in. Let's see how fast we can create a 3-day repeating project. Okay, so we take our template, we right click on it, we say duplicate campaign, yes, and I want to make this a root campaign, and let's just say our site is blue widgets. That's what we're trying to promote, blue widgets. So there we go, we got our blue widgets campaign now, and it's a copy of this template. So what we need to now do is, so we're going to build the blue widgets multiple steps. So we need to go under our URL list, into our money site, and we need to edit the URL and change it from dummy.com to our site, .com, and let's change your anchor checks to blue widgets. Of course, you can spin this and have as many as you want. So we save that. Then we got to go into our projects, and we open up our account creation. Again, all this email will get changed because we're going to download one. Probably want a new random profile. And we should still have all our check marks. Yes, we do. for it to build all those accounts. So we save that. Now we can go in social bookmarking, and here all these are checked. So you want to now update your title, widget guide, and you may want to make that very spinnable to get uniqueness. Add some tags, and then you want to put in your spinnable description. And then you'll want to go through and change do auto select categories or manually change your categories to have their appropriate categories. So I can do that right now, but you get the idea. So now we can save this, and now we go into the RSS feed. Again, we need to change our categories. We need to put in our spinnable title here that's going to be used. Put in our tags that we want used. Etc., etc. So then we're all done with that. So now we have one campaign that will create new accounts, do social bookmarking on our money site, and do RSS submissions on the social bookmarking RSSs that come out, and everything's set up. So now all we need to do is we need to schedule this. So let's add it. Oops. Let's select our account. Close this. Select our new account creation project. So that's the first step. We want to schedule this. And let's say we want to run this starting on Sunday, the 22nd of May at 3 in the morning. So we're going to save that and close that. Now you see on 3 o'clock on the 22nd, this is going to run. So now we got one day set up. So let's say now what do we do to create multiple days? All we have to do is right click here, duplicate our campaign, and let's put in blue widgets. Day 2, turn this off, save it so it's underneath there. So we open that up. Blue widgets day 2, here it is. As you can see, it's a copy of blue widgets. There's blue widgets day 2. Now we need to go into each one of these, but I want to create a new profile for this day. Save that. We shouldn't have to change anything in here because all the account names and everything are the same. All this is the same. We can change it if you want, and we have the right money site already. So now what we got to do is click on this and schedule this one, edit that one schedule. And so instead of Sunday, we now want this one to run on Monday. And now we have the option here to say, like, let's run this at 6 a.m. so that you don't have mini footprints of running the same thing against the same sites every day. So let's make that a 6 a.m. So on the 23rd. So now we can go copy this again, duplicate it, yes. Blue widgets, day 3. And now we can go in and do the exact same thing here. Just give us new names here, and you can actually edit the schedule right here if you wish. And now so we're going to run this on 24th at 3 p.m. This one. Save this and close it. So now that one's all set up, and let's create one more. Show you one other thing we can do here. Day 4. The nice thing is when we actually go to schedule day 4, we could say, well, we really want to take a break in this schedule. Instead of going right to the 25th, we want to skip to the 27th before we do any more of these. So you can do that right then and there. And then now that's on the 27th. So as you can see, we now have one running on the 22nd, 23rd, 22nd, 23rd, 24th, and then the 27th. So you can do this and continue to do this, and it's what, 9 minutes now? It's taken us roughly 7 minutes to do this, and you could just keep duplicating, and for as many days as you want. And then if you want to start promoting another web page, you just go back up here, select this template, and start all over again. Hopefully that's helpful. If you have any questions, leave a post, comment on the blog underneath this post, and I'll answer you as soon as I can. Thanks, bye.